Thank you. My name's Jodie Smith. I am with a consortium called Matanataki, and we are putting together a fund, a facility actually, for investment into Fijian businesses that can directly benefit the Great Sea Reef. So we're looking at investments being between 1 million Fijian and 10 million Fijian dollars. We've had a bit of a delay putting that fund together because of COVID, and what our first close will likely be middle of next year now. However, our LPs are really interested in doing direct investments, but the direct investments would need to be larger. So typically, they'd be looking to do sort of between $10 and $30 million investments. Impact investment is a pretty new space. It's quite novel to come to government with, say, an unsolicited PPP for, say, a waste project. But if we wanted to do that, how would we approach government?
I think in respect to waste management, we made some announcements last year, for example, the Numboro landfill. And we've said that the land available is, land there is available also around the landfill area. Available, at very concessionary rates, as long as people are doing, renewable sort of projects, waste recycling, etc. And you get a 13-year tax holiday. So that's already available around that area. I mean, without sort of knowing any other further details, I can't comment on that. But those are sort of types of, announcements we made regarding that. We're very keen, of course, in recycling, renewable, and also turning waste into energy. And of course, we'd like EFL to be part of that, if there's any projects regarding turning waste into energy, because they are the main sort of, suppliers of electricity in Fiji. They, of course, even if you turned privately waste into energy, you still need to use the grid system for transmission, for retailing. You can do the generation. And at the moment, the law essentially allows for generation by independent power producers, but not for distribution and retailing. So those are the sort of aspects that we can look at. But please, you can write to us. We have a very open mind regarding these things.